Welcome to the Fun Places to Fly YouTube channel. Today we're headed to Northeast Texas, looking for some good food and maybe some fishing.
Cessna 84316, what's your on-course setting or your destination?
Going to Lake Texoma.
Roger that.
Lake Texoma is a great place to fly for pilots. One of our favorite locations, and is stunning to see from the air. This massive lake is located between Oklahoma and Texas. The lake is one of the largest reservoirs in the U.S. It has 1,200 miles of shoreline and covers about 93,000 acres. The water flow is from the Red and Washita rivers. A little known fact is that the lake's dam was constructed by German prisoners of war during World War II. Lake Texoma is known as the playground of the South, offering great activities such as hunting, fishing, boating, vacationing, shopping, eating, hiking, biking, and horse riding. As far as fishing goes, the lake is well known as the striper capital of the world. It also has a nice variety of other fish, such as crappie, smallmouth, and largemouth bass, and catfish. It has a number of islands which are accessible by boat. Today we're flying over Cedar Mills, Marina, and Resort, just to give you an idea of the size and beauty of this great destination. This marina has it all. If you want to spend the night, there are cabins for rent, and you can even pitch your tent right beside your airplane. We'll show off the cabins later on in this video. There is also a ship store for souvenirs, unique gifts, special resort wear, and boat supplies. For the kids, there's a beach and a fun playground. Oh, and don't forget the petting zoo. If you want to go for a walk, there's a nature trail and a private beach. Want to fish? You can fish off one of the mini docks and even hire a professional guide. Boat rentals are also available. If you're hungry, there's a really nice waterfront restaurant called Pelican Landing. For RV enthusiasts, the driving kind with more than 3 wheels, there is a wonderful RV park with all the goodies: restrooms, showers, and Wi-Fi. Nice! On this particular day, the wind was a little rough, so we decided to pull in some old footage from last winter when the conditions were perfect, just to give you a better idea of how nice this runway is.
Air country traffic from the 739 Cedar Sierra, into 45 for a left downwind runway 17.
The Cedar Mills Airport is one of the smoothest grass runways we know of. The airport identifier is 3T0 and is open to the public. The common traffic advisory frequency is 122.9, and you can get AWAS from the North Texas Regional Airport on 118.775, or you can call 903-786-7790. The runway is 725, and according to the FAA, it's in excellent condition. Sit back and enjoy the view. Time to get something to eat. It's a really nice walk from the runway to Pelican Landing waterfront restaurant. This restaurant has a fun and casual atmosphere while dining inside or out on the deck, which faces the water. On this particular trip, it was right around Halloween, and the staff was dressed appropriately. They serve up delicious steaks, seafoods, fresh salads, unique burgers, and sandwiches, as well as tasty appetizers and decadent desserts. There is also a wonderful breakfast on the weekend. They have a really nice bar where you can enjoy your favorite brew or specialty drink inside the bar or out on the deck. It was such a nice day, we decided to have our lunch on the deck. Wow, what a view! We found out that the landing's menu changes from season to season. They always keep a wide variety of menu items that include hamburgers, sandwiches, steaks, catfish and shrimp, as well as pizza. Check out this burger. Also, some occasional aviation-related entertainment. Before we check into our cabin, we just had to check out the ship's store. This boutique and gift shop has something for everyone, like resort wear, swimsuits, sandals, t-shirts, beach toys, as well as picnic supplies and boating gear. Time to check out the cottages and cabins. Each of these units have full kitchens and dinettes, complete with basic dishes and flatware, as well as cookware and a coffee maker. Every unit has a full bath with a shower, complete with towels and bed linens. All the cottage and cabins are available year-round and have heat and air conditioning. No telephones. From the porch of each cottage, you are just steps away from the beach, with a great view of the harbor and Lake Texoma. Plenty of outdoor room for a game of frisbee, tag, or volleyball. Now for the deluxe cottages. These particular cottages are tucked away in the trees, overlooking the turf airstrip. Each of these units have cozy fireplaces and vaulted ceilings, plus 2 double beds, large picture windows, separate living areas with a sofa, chair, cable TV, and a microwave in the kitchen. The front deck is a great place to sit and watch airplanes come and go. Now for a good night's sleep and some early morning fishing. It's a short walk from our cottage to Captain Marty's Lake Texoma Fishing Guide boat dock. What a day for being out on the lake. We hired one of their great fishing guides to take us out and try our hand at striper fishing. This was great. We caught so many fish, we forgot to take pictures. Check this out. Holy moly! They even cleaned the fish for us. We'll be back. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be back soon with more videos about other places to fly. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and our website at FunPlacesToFly.com. We send out newsletters to our subscribers about places to fly and aviation events, and it's all free. There are links in the comments area where you can learn all about Lake Texoma and the Cedar Mills Resort and Marina. Thanks for watching.